Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the Rover app as a walker. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. What is Rover? Rover is an app and website that connect pet owners with trusted pet care providers like dog walkers, pet sitters, cat sitters, boarding, which is overnight care at sitter's home, and drop-in visits that are quick check-ins, and doggy daycare. It's like Uber or Airbnb but for pet care. Now, in order to use it, first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then once you're inside here, tap on the search bar on the top of your screen, then type in Rover. Now once the search result loads, look for an app icon like this on your search list, then simply tap on it. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply tap on the get button and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now in order to use the Rover app as a walker, what you need to do is first head over and open up your Rover app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is create your walker profile. To do it, simply log into your account, and then once you're inside, fill out your bio, services, availability, and rates. Then add great photos of you with pets or walking dogs. Then select the services you want to offer from your services tab like dog walking, drop-in visits, pet sitting, and boarding. Be honest and detailed to build trust with pet parents. Then next is to complete the background check. Rover requires all workers or sitters to pass a background check. You'll need a valid ID, to pay a small fee in some regions, to wait a few days for approval. Then next is to set your preferences. Choose your service area, how far you're willing to travel. Then set your availability, days and times you're open. Then adjust your rates for walks depending upon the time frame of 30 minutes, 60 minutes, and etc. Then once done, start accepting walk requests by simply messaging through the app and always responding quickly and politely when you have a request. Then next is to complete a walk. Tap the start walk button in the app when you arrive. Then the app will track your route via GPS. Then you can send pee, poop, water updates and send photos during the walk. At the end, tap on End Walk and leave a quick note for the pet owner. Then once done, Rover pays you automatically after the walk is complete. Payments are sent to your Rover account, then to your bank or PayPal. You can track your earnings and tips in the app. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.